G'day everyone, MacWeezyP1 here, and welcome to my first cooking video. Today we are doing seafood marinara, or as I mistakenly told my teacher in grade 4, seafood marijuana. There was some concerning emails sent to my parents. Anyway, so seafood marinara, it's pretty basic. You just get some seafood, some rice, dump the shit together. Well, not while cooking, but I'll explain it later. Put the ingredients up here. Let's start off with the rice, shall we? Okay, the rule with rice is fucking stupid. The rule with rice is you get whenever you have like 1 cup of rice, you add 2 cups of water. I serve about 4 people. About 4 people, including me. It's like average family. So 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Just like that. And then, once you're done with... This is my way of cooking rice. Most people just use a stove, but I happen to use a microwave, and it doesn't taste shit, thankfully. And then grab rice container, put it in a microwave. 10 minutes. Leave that, and then once the 10 minutes are done, let it sit for 20 minutes to soak up all the water, expand, and all that shit. So while the rice is getting cooked, we put the seafood in a colander or whatever the fuck it's called. I don't fucking care, alright? Shut up, Coco. God. Yeah, that's another reminder. Don't have cats near seafood, especially this little rat. Look at her. She just wants it so bad. Don't you dare jump up there. I'm gonna just have her accompany me. I don't know. So anyway, you put this shit in here, and you separate all the mussels and the calamari, because the calamari and the mussels cook faster than everything else in there. So you have to separate them, because otherwise, put them all at once, it's basically fucked. Really, Coco? Honestly, I might just... Here, you want something? Here, take it. Alright, and then just place the mussels and calamari in the bowl on the side for later. Next, you want to get a fucking big ass pan. Turn the heat on, like medium or so. Make sure the thing's actually in the center too. Make sure the thing's in the center. Get that out of here. Let it cook for a little, and dump this seafood, but not the calamari and mussels. No, you should be able to see more of me. Yes. Okay, spread it out. I have left a piece of calamari in here. Fuck. Oh well. Let's cook that fast. If there's like any hidden stuff in here, just take it out. No problem. Okay, so just spread it out on here. Spread it out nice and evenly, and make sure. Actually, scratch that. Just spread it out. Once it starts bubbling, just turn it over, turn the shit over, and then you do it a second, and then do it a second time. Once you do that second time, we'll add 1 tablespoon of garlic. All right, now it's starting to steam a little. It's time to just grab. Not a metal tool, a plastic or wood, because otherwise you will just fuck up your pan. All right, give it a second mix. Fuck. Yeah, that's another thing. Don't be fucking stupid, like I just did. Okay, once that's done, you grab your tablespoon of garlic. Dump that shit in. Dump that shit in, mix that shit in. Alright, now that it's like getting a lot of heat and all the stuff is like semi-cooked, it'll be fast with how fast the stuff starts to steam up. Like fucking hell, it's already steaming up. Let's wait a little bit longer. Then, next step, grab light cooking cream. You can use normal cooking cream, but we use light cooking cream because we rather not have the worst shits in the world. So pour that stuff in. A hot tip for these if you can't like get all this stuff out, if you can't get all of that out, what you do is put a little bit of water, put a lid back on. It's a bit of a fucking chore. Get that shit and put the rest in, so that way you don't waste all of the fucking cream. Put back on the medium heat. Now for when the cream goes in, I like to wait until with those bubbles, and you can see like the kind of creaminess there. Don't fuck up the camera. I kind of wait for all of that to spread all over the pan, so that way it is super delicious. Alright, it's starting to foam up everywhere. That's the good flavor we want. Let's get around that point. Once it goes to that point, mix it around. Once that shit's done, we finally add the calamari and mussels. Once it's all mixed in, you wait for the foam bubble thing, tap it again, stir it up, you're done. Just put the lid on, turn the heat off, leave it. Once we've put the lid on, turn off the heat, we'll move on to the rice and the serving. Okay, so you take the rice out of the container. Don't put your face near there because otherwise you'll just fuck up. Get a really long fork and fork the rice. Get really in there, get all the way under. To really break up the rice, get every single grain. Now we so you can just now we get the good serving. Now time for a taste test. Good shit. So next video, it's most likely going to be the KO Perico heist on GTA Online. Hopefully with Nick, so that way we'll be able to get some good content, some good laughs, and then some more PC stuff like the Minecraft series, but all that stuff. If you like this, let me know in the comments. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.